Hi guys, time check. It's already 2:24 a.m. and kapapasok lang namin ng Skyway. We're from Bikutan Skyway entrance. Time check. 2:31 a.m. and kapapasok lang namin ng Stage 3 Skyway. So, long drive na kasi 60 lang yung maximum speed dito. T-Flex na! And it's just 4:07.
Yo, what's up mga kayobab? Dito tayo ngayon sa Rosario Clean Fuel. So nagpagas lang and we're going to Baguio. Try natin dumaan sa Quezon Road. So time check, 6:26 a.m. Andito tayo sa Lights.
We're in Baguio!